In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Xero. In the digital age, safeguarding your financial data is paramount. Whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or just starting with Xero for your personal finances, having a backup is crucial to ensure that your information remains secure and accessible when you need it most. Let's dive into the simple steps you can follow to achieve this vital task. First things first, once you're logged in, you're stepping into your Xero dashboard, where you can manage and view all your accounting data. This is your central hub for all things financial. Next, make your way over to the Accounting tab. Here, you're on the verge of exploring a rich array of financial reports and data that Xero has neatly organized for you. Once you're in the Accounting tab, look for and click on the Advanced option. This area gives you access to a range of advanced settings and options designed to provide more control and customization over your accounting data. After you enter the Advanced section, you'll want to locate and click on Export Accounting Data. This option is crucial for backing up your data. It's Xero's way of ensuring you can safeguard your financial information by providing an export function for external storage. As you proceed, you'll notice a prompt asking you to choose the product for which you wish to back up data. Xero offers various products and services, each tailored to meet different accounting needs. Selecting the correct product is vital for ensuring your backup includes all the relevant data you require. Now comes an essential part, specifying the date range for the data you want to back up. This step lets you customize the period for which you want to export data, offering flexibility over the information included in your backup. You can choose a month, a quarter, or even a full year, depending on your needs. Once you have set your preferences, proceed by clicking on Download. This action initiates the downloading process of your financial data, neatly packaging it into a file that you can save, store, or move elsewhere. This step is the culmination of your efforts to securely back up your Xero data. However, a key point to remember is that each report must be backed up manually. While this might seem like a bit more work, it actually allows you to exercise complete control over which pieces of information you're protecting. Each report contains different insights and data, and backing them up individually means you can prioritize what's most essential for your needs. Keep in mind, the process of backing up your financial data is a safeguard against unexpected events like data loss or corruption. It allows you to keep your financial history intact and recoverable, which can be critical for audits, historical analysis, or simply maintaining a financial timeline. To wrap up, backing up your Xero data doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your financial information is protected against unforeseen circumstances. Remember, the effort you put into backing up your data today can save you a significant amount of time, stress, and potential loss in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you keep your financial data secure and accessible.